Aye.
Eh?
Where you go?
Where you mean where me go?
Come in here, man.
The girl tell me say you and I did that talk. What happened to that?
I'm a church sister.
Me not inna the lele with you. Me lick you across your face.
Aye. You not drink something?
What me did I drink? What you mean?
Then we just come and lick me. I'm a church sister. I'm not talking to you.
You know, say me as a young girl, me go stop take up shrivel up man for me. Me go stop take up shrivel up man for me.
Yes, what me talk about now? Yes, what me just talk to my church sister now. A Sunday she talk about.
You never did a chat to no
You
church
understand?
sister. You never did a chat to no church sister.
Then a woman that talk to.
I'm not in it with you.
Alright? Me not talk to a church sister. And you bet. I who the boy in the black yans here that chat to.
Somebody who can work me because you will lose your place. You can't work me no more.
Oh, I say go. So what happen? No, me want to my job on them, then I work.
Them stop work.
Want to my swipe card.
Your tongue dead.
Nah,
It dead. It dead. Nit dead.
So what happen to my face and my nose and my rubber?
Look here, hi. That now work, it shrivel up, it gone down so. Me don't want that no more. Me want something we can manage me. Me don't want not when me manage. Me want something when me can manage.
Well, doctor said me for rest now. Me can't go on like how me used to go on a jump
when
over
you're dead,
fence.
you go rest enough. You don't need fear rest now. Me need somebody who can manage me. Me don't want no crabby.
Oh, I saw it got sound a young girl though. Eh? Wanna look the old man them, wanna tell them say them look good, them nice and thing, and after a while no dump them.
Yeah, we young girl we tell enough lie when it comes to old man. Me don't know why I'm to Jamaica old man and girl. That's all we do. We only entertain the old man them because the young one them now do them work.
Alright. We try the young one and now they don't work it out. But we try to do the work. We try something.
You're not young, sir?
No, me not young.
Exactly.
But me still I try to do something.
It not work. Stop. You need to stop.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe
all
this.
you do make me
So all the laugh you laugh and enjoy.
No.
I mean you laugh after?
Yeah, God no. Serious something. I have to admit it now.
Seriously? All the laugh me hear you a laugh. I mean you laugh after?
I don't want nothing to tickle me. I want something to make me I want something to make my ball and scream.
My good
Me
gosh.
don't want nothing to tickle me.
In my head, me hear this woman I laugh and I go on and me say, you enjoy the best.
Your blue
I
pill
laugh,
them
you
not,
laugh.
the blue pill them not working.
You want the red one then?